Good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel Amit Official. Today we have to discuss class 10 chemistry. That means the topic is our chapter is carbon and its compound. And our topic is naming of organic compound. That is nomenclature. So guys, before studying this topic, that is naming of organic compound, we have to discuss about the terms in previous section. In previous section, we have to discuss so easy terms of the naming of organic compound in terms of alkane, and in terms of alkyne. Where we have to see that the alkane means alk, that means the number of carbon atom present in parent chain, and ane is proposed for the arrangement of carbon that is single bonded. In terms of alkene, we have to discuss this. That means alk is also the number of carbon atom present in parent chain. After that, ane is substituted for the double bonding structure. In terms of alkyne, we have to discuss that where alk is also represented for the number of carbon atom present in parent chain, and ane is represented in terms of the preparation where the carbon-carbon attachment is substituted as a triple bonding mean. And we also describe about the naming of another terms of alkane, alkene and alkyne in the term of the formation of methane, ethane, butane, propene, pentane, hexane, heptane, that's all. So guys, before the naming of this in terms, that is we have to discuss the naming of organic compound by the presenting some rules in terms of IUPAC, that is International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry. It is represented in terms of IUPAC, means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Before this, we have to discuss the naming of compound in terms of their travel length. That is the many type of compound are originated in terms of the formation. Where invention and inventor. That means if their inventor do any invention, that invention is named on the basis of their inventor. After that, we have to follow such rules in terms of IUPAC. That is very carefully followed by us, and we have to discuss the every rule in terms of naming. In terms of example, we have to illustrate this. That means these terms of your IUPAC naming, that is the formation of naming of organic compound, is substituted for their individual means. You have to describe about the prefix, we have to describe about the word root, we have to describe about the primary suffix, and we have to describe about the secondary suffix. That means the naming is proposed in terms of scale term. That is originated from prefix. First of all, we have to write the prefix for this. After that, we have word root and primary suffix. After that, attach with secondary suffix. So this is the skeleton of the naming of organic compound. We have to follow the skeletal rule, and after that we substitute this formation. That means guys, this is the skeletal rule. This is used. This prefix is used for substituent. That means for the substituent you write the prefix for this. After that, we have to discuss about the formations of word root, that is used for the number of carbon atom present in parent chain. Now we have to discuss about the primary suffix origination, which is unsaturation ni, and this suffix is used for the priority of functional group. That means this is the skeleton which every terms is used for the formation in terms of the organic compounds having concentrated in terms of parent chain. After that we have to selecting the names of the substituent and suffix prefix were added in them. That means we have used to follow such rules, and we have to studying and discussing about the rules of the IUPAC naming, IUPAC nomenclature. That means the rule first here, the rule number 1, always select the parent chain, means that the chain are consecutive arrangement of carbon that contain maximum number of carbon. That means you have to select the parent chain for this. That means that contain the maximum number of carbon. That means this is not a priority. That means every parent chain is a term of a straight way. All the parent chain is not to be consecutive in the straight chain. We have to also select the chain that contain more number of carbon atoms. This is more important for that. Notable point is here, if there is any functional group is attached to the parent chain, then the carbon is also counted in the sequence of parent chain. That means if you can't understand this, then we have to discuss about the example for this. This is completely be a part sequence. After that, there is another arrangement. That means just like an example for this. This is an example. Just like this is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. First, that means your parent will be subsequent like this. This is your parent chain. In terms of another example formation, CH3, CH2, 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 CH, CH2, CH3, and here CH3 is present. We have to discuss about the selecting of parent chain. This is your parent chain containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon, and this methyl is considered as this is your parent chain, and this is your substituent. That means you have to follow the rules of IUPAC. and after that you are very clear about the naming of organic compound. Before solving some question in terms of the parent chain, take a note again. Parent chain is never be only in a straight way. That means this is the most important. We have to do a wrong things on this. That means parent chain is not to be always in a straight way. Parent chain is the meaning that those chain structures that contain more carbon, that contain large number of carbon atoms, that is known as parent chain formations only. So take a note of this, guys. After that we have to solve some question apart from the first rule of the selecting parent chain. Okay, I will release it. Now we have to deal with some question. Select the parent chain of following organic compound. That means here is the questions for the selecting some parent chain of organic compound. That is your question number first is here. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. You have to reduce one hydrogen from this and you have to present one methyl. Question number second is here. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3, and here is also CH3. Question number third is here. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, 2, CH, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH2. Question number 30. Question number 4. CH3, CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, 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 CH3, CH2 and CH3. Question number 5. In CH3, CH2, 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 CH, CH2, CH3, CH3, sorry, CH2, CH2 and CH3, CH2, CH3. And also we have to apply here in terms of CH3. Question number 6 is also here. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, 2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. There are 6 questions in here. You have to only select the parent chain for that's all. That will in previous few minutes again we have to discuss about the first rule of isopacknemy. That means for the naming of organic compound, your first work is there. That is, you have to select the parent chain. And as we know that the parent chain definition of the parent chain, that means number of large carbon atom in a consecutive skeleton. That means we have to discuss about the term of parent chain. That means a number of large carbon atoms present in consecutive skeleton. That is called parent chain. From after knowing that all the subsequent, after knowing about all the rules, we have to solve this question in terms of this. That means we have to count the carbon. First of all, we have to count the carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon in this way. That means your parent chain is slightly becoming like that. This is your first question. You have to select the parent chain. That means this is your parent chain, and this is your subunit. That means the parent chain consists more number of carbons. Now we have to discuss about the second one question. This is your term. If you want to prepare the parent chain like this is your parent chain. That you have to count the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon in the, and you think that this is your substrate containing 3 carbon, propyl summation, then this is your wrong way. You have to represent the parent chain like this, the mean of the weight, and your numbering is belonging from not 5 tab. This is your 5, this is your 6, and this is your 7. That means in this way, this structure contains more carbon. That's why this is my parent chain, and this is the way. This is denoted as substituent. Again, we have to discuss this question. Question number 3 is here. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 carbon. Just find the substituent in terms of the parent chain. You have to count it again the carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means if you attach the parent chain with substituent, you have only 7 carbon. If you attach the substituent, another chain in terms of the straight way, that contains more carbon. That's why your parent chain is this one, and this is your substituent, and this is your parent chain. Now we have to discuss the question number 4 again. We have to count this like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. In terms of the substituent, in that means jigya way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 carbon. That means our parent chain is supporting like that. This is our parent chain containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 carbon, and this is your substituent. This time we are not to be saying about the naming. We have to only solve the question in terms of the basis of the selecting parent chain. Now we have to deal with the question number 5 here. You have to see that there is 2 substrates attached. This is one and another version. Now you have to select the parent chain. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon only. If you go in a straight way, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon only. But in terms of second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 carbon, that is your parent chain is describing in the way like this. That means this is your parent chain formation. And this is your substituent, substituent, and this is your second substituent, the mean. Now we have to deal with the question number 6 here. Again, two substituents is attached. That means we have to count this 1, 2, 3. If you count like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon only. If you count in a straight way, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 carbon. That means your parent chain is described here like this function. And this is your substituent. This is your substituent. This is your substituent. And this is also substituent. That means your first work of the naming of organic compound in terms of IUPAC, that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. That is, the first work is selecting your parent chain. This is clearly noticed you in terms of the rule, and we also solve this question. This is so important for you. Just revise this question, do a practice for this. That means you can easily understand that all. So take a screenshot of it now.